question is, where are you from? And I am from St. Andrew, which is north of Kingston. That's where I was born and raised, and my family still lives there, in this little area called Uenden. My favorite thing about Jamaica is the fact that no matter where you're from or where you go, we always represent, and we always are very proud of all of our Jamaicans. So whether it's in sports or it's in school, if anybody comes from Jamaica, we claim them. That's one thing I love about Jamaicans. And it's so diverse here. And even though you have different nationalities or different races, I could say, there's German Jamaicans and Jewish Jamaicans and Hispanic Jamaicans, and we don't care. Chinese Jamaicans, we all claim Jamaica. We all love Jamaica, and so that's one of the best things I think about being Jamaican. We're very proud of our country. We're very proud of our people. I think the last thing was to say something with your accent, and I think you can already tell I'm talking with my accent right now. So that's pretty much it. But I'm going to go ahead now and go join the rest of my family. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys when I get back. Thanks for watching.